What's up, y'all,
Hey,
man?
how y'all doing, man?
Hey, we here talking to y'all about our new show, skit called Sound
of the City.
And I'm here to talk about y'all, you know, with some skits that we got and everything right over.
Yeah, man, a lot of skits, a lot of brand new skits, guaranteed to make you laugh.
I know exactly what you were about to say. Every word I would just repeat you. But anywho, you know, this movie's gonna be funny, the show, the skits, whatever we got, it's gonna be funny. Gary dang T.
I'm talking about crying, laughing, man. Crying, laughing. I'm talking about your stomach be hurting,
Your
laughing.
stomach hurting, man. Then you know what I'm saying, you gotta go to the bathroom like you just ate some Indian fuel. Your booty be bubbling. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? We got characters like By Golly,
It's gonna be played by me,
o.bey, and it's gonna be the Mamba, which is gonna be played by Latwoine, Lamar, Blackman. Oh, good gracious, you messed up the face makeup. Makeup, talk over me. Anyway, I just got my makeup done. Anywho, it's gonna be funny and things like that. We got another skit, you know, called Nation Domination. It's like the half part of Sound City. It's like Sound City. It's like the record label deal, whatever. And Nation Domination is the artist. You know what I'm saying? That makes the CDs, that makes the tracks, and that makes the CDs, that makes the tracks. You know what I'm saying? Like that. And it's gonna be hilarious. Why you do it with me, Opie?
He caught me off guard. But anyway.
Yeah. Anyway.
Oh, my bad, okay.
Anyway, what? Anyway. Yeah.
Okay, anyway. Be sure to catch in with our new skit. Like I said, guaranteed to make you laugh. Lot of bloopers. Don't forget to catch up with
NOD, Nation Domination. I'm telling y'all right now. And they be played by me, o.bey, Elijah's Blackman, my brother, Dante, my friend, and Mata, my cousin, friend, whatever you want to call him. And you know, o.bey, my best friend.
You said me twice.
Stuff like that, but I ain't tell you who you was though. I just said o.bey.
Never mind.
And you know me, Latwoine Lamar.
But just let y'all know we're not the only two inside of the city. We got some new characters. Like I said, that's his brother, Lazarus Blackman. Then we got Minor. I don't know what his last name is. And Dante Caldwell.
Minor Luna. His last name is Minor Luna.
Minor Luna.
Oh, but what's Minor last name?
It
doesn't matter what Minor Luna's last name is.
It does today.
Got that from The Rock though. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be funny and everything like that. It's gonna be hilarious. Like I said, how many times you gonna say it's gonna be funny? Just because it's gonna be darn funny. It's gonna be so funny.
It's gonna be funny.
And if it ain't funny, you can go watch a cockatoo's booty.
That wasn't funny. That was just nasty.
You know, I couldn't think of any other animal, so go wipe a bird's booty.
You could have said a cow. You could have said a dog. You could have said a cat. Those are common animals.
A cow? Who want to wipe a cow booty?
Who want to wipe a cockatoo or whatever the heck?
You rather wipe a cockatoo's booty than a cow booty? For real. You never.
Why do we want to wipe any booties at all?
You wipe your booty, don't you? Ladies and gentlemen, don't try this at home. Do not wipe your booties. It's not right. Well, you do have to clean yourself, but anyway, Sound of the City is gonna be funny. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be hilarious, right?
Like I said,
I keep saying the same thing.
Be sure, leave a comment. Hey, whether or not it's good or whether or not it's
bad.
Hey,
and if it's bad, I'm gonna give y'all a comment back, and I'm gonna say, hey, you motivated me to do.
That's okay, bro. That's okay.
To do better, and do it for y'all, and you know, try to make y'all watch it again. And if you don't, as a matter of fact, no, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna tell Tom on y'all. Y'all know Tom, the dude for MySpace. Every time you get a new MySpace, he comes on there and be like, hi, my name is Tom. Whatever hell. The one that got that same picture like this. That same exact picture that he had for since 2003, since MySpace came out.
You wouldn't think, since he is such a bitch and everything, you would think he would get a better picture now, wouldn't you?
In that picture he got with that flashlight like this, and like it can be like, sorry guys, the comments not working right now. The message, we're working on that comments right now. You know, but Tom, you cool, Tom. You brilliant, making up MySpace. Cause if it wasn't for
Had a clap for you.
Because Tom, think about this. If it wasn't for MySpace, there won't be any nation of domination.
There won't be no sign of the city. There won't be no us.
There won't be no Latwoine.
Not that I'm comparing you as God or anything, but I'm just saying.
If it wasn't for you, there won't be anything. You know, some stuff on MySpace that I have done. I met new people on MySpace.
Yeah, I know you met new people on MySpace. Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, okay. That's that's cool. I met a person on MySpace, and you know what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about.
If you're watching it, you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hilarious, and it's gonna be the best thing smoking.
Best thing smoking.
Even though we ain't cooking. Well, o.bey don't know how to cook. You know,
I know how to cook. I know how to cook good. I know how to cook some boiled hot dogs. I know how to cook up some cereal.
You don't cook cereal.
No, you put cereal in a bowl with some milk.
See, I'm talking about.
No. You trying to embarrass my cooking skills. I know how to cook a grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh, but see,
anybody know how to cook a grilled cheese sandwich? No. You done did it, bro.
Fine, get out the car then. Leave. I can do it by myself. Punk, little bit baby. Like I was saying, y'all, Sound City is gonna be the best thing smoking. The funnest thing. Hold on just for 1 second, y'all.
You better get some behind that car. Fall up a cap.
Y'all, Sound City is gonna come out. It's gonna be the best thing smoking. It's gonna be
Make sure y'all catch up with Sound City, y'all. Make sure y'all catch out for it. All right, now peace. Woo.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Good gracious. What the fuck you want, o.bey? What the? What's up, y'all?
Hey, how you doing?
You know, this is me, Latwoine, Lamar Blackman.
And this is o.bey, aka o.bey Jenx. Call me whatever.
You can call me the Elite, whatever you want to call me, but well, you know, that concludes Sound City. My name is Latwoine, Lamar Blackman / the Elite.
My name is o.bey Jenx. Catch y'all guys later.
On the west side, Inglewood ain't up to no good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll catch y'all guys later.